Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the drain hose in your washer, be sure to unplug the power cord and close the water supply valves. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Have an assistant help you to carefully tip the washer back. Then use pliers to detach the drain hose retainers from the base. Use a number 2 square bit or a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws at the back, securing the main top. Slide the main top back and lift it up to remove. Next, unthread the screws, securing the control panel to the support bracket. Pull out the dispenser drawer and depress the button to fully release it. You can now remove the remaining screws, securing the control panel assembly. Lift the assembly up to detach and disconnect the user interface wire connector. Use a flathead screwdriver to help open the main control cover, then disconnect the door latch wire harness. Open the washer door and use needle nose pliers to help remove the outer boot seal retainer. Now remove the boot seal from the lip of the front panel. Lift and support the washer so you can unthread the bottom front panel mounting screws. Remove the support and unthread the top front panel mounting screws. Lift the panel up and out. Release the drain hose spring clamp. Pull the hose off and remove the spring clamp. Cut the zip tie supporting the hose. Next, unthread the screws, securing the vibration dampener. Lift off the block. Disconnect the power cord wire connector. Detach the grounding wire from the rear panel and release the wire retainer. Unthread the mounting screws securing the drain hose retainer and remove the retainer. Next, remove the screws securing the main top mounting bracket. Set the bracket aside. Unthread the screws securing the rear panel to the motor control board. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the remaining screws securing the rear panel. Detach the panel. Slide off the hose retainer and remove the drain hose from the rear panel. Use needle nose pliers to detach the hose retainers from the frame and fully remove the old hose. You're now ready to install the new drain hose. With the straight end of the hose facing up, snap the retainers into the frame. Slide a spring clamp onto the curved end of the hose, then attach the hose to the drain pump and secure it with the clamp. Snap the hose retainers into the base. Use a zip tie to secure the drain hose to the recirculation hose. Reinstall the front panel by aligning it on the mounting pins. Replace the mounting screws on top. Lift and support the washer to replace the bottom mounting screws. Now align the boot seal on the lip of the front panel. Secure the boot to the panel with the outer boot retainer. Reconnect the door latch wire harness and close the main control cover. Reinstall the control panel assembly by first reconnecting the user interface wire connector. Realign the panel on the support bracket and rethread all of the mounting screws. Replace the dispenser drawer. Now insert the straight end of the drain hose through the hole in the rear panel and slide on the retainer. Reposition the rear panel. Thread and tighten all of the mounting screws, except for the two top screws on the back. Realign the main top support bracket and secure it with the screws. Reconnect the power cord wire connector. Attach the grounding wire to the rear panel and snap the wire retainer into place. Realign the drain hose retainer and replace the mounting screw. Reposition the vibration dampener, then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Realign the main top and slide it into place. Rethread the screws in the back. Attach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve. With the repair completed, reopen the water supply valves. Plug the power cord back in, and your washer should be ready for use.